So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you want to generate AI videos using Google's latest model, here's how to access Veo 3.1 inside Google Vids without any limits and for free. So the steps goes like, first thing, go to googlevids.com, open the website on your browser and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now, to start a new project, click the plus icon to create a new video. The interface will load. Now all you have to do is choose your video settings. Select your preferred video size like landscape, portrait, etc. Now, look for the model selection option. You'll find it on the right top. Choose Veo 3.1. Now all you have to do is describe the video you want to generate. For example, a cinematic sunset over a futuristic city with flying cars. Just click Generate. Wait for a few moments while the AI creates your video. Now, once it's finished, click Download to save it to your device. Just be specific in your prompts, include style, lighting, camera angles, and keep prompts clear and simple for best output. And also try different variations if the first result isn't perfect. And that's it guys, that's how you can access Veo 3.1 for free and unlimited on Google Vids. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next video.